Hi, I was wanting to stop in today and give you guys a beautiful message upon the nature of grace. This is one of my favorite things to talk about. It is truly infinite and boundless, and it's always here for us. It's our relying source, our strong, consistent frequency for the collective conscious framework to resonate with. Grace is the unmanifest. It's the pure spirit, the number zero, the absence which allows for all substance, the space, the empty space of our reality, which comprises the majority. The interconnected glue which holds the fabric of reality together is grace. Grace is infinite in its scale, in its ever-pourance of abundance when we call upon it, and when we connect into that pureness inside, that Christ within, the Krishna beyond all, the innate, true, Butonious self. So be free. Be free to be your beautiful self, because you are blessed and covered in grace. Grace simply gives energy away with no expectation on how the energy will be used. Pure potential energy with absolutely no limiting factors to its expression. So call forth on it and be yourself, true to the core, authentic, in love, and expressing out the joy in your heart in which you feel. And I will be here with you on this journey of remembering our oneness, of our interconnected, holy, pure self. The God, the Goddess, Mother Gaia, Father Son, the dimensional balance of love, of grace, allowing all to be as it so chooses, without any judgment and infinite support. Grace will always be there for you. It's inside of you, and it's waiting for you. Have a blessed day.